So they're already starting their mums for the fall, and it's just like section off. You can see in different areas, like these just started, the ones down there are a little bit bigger, so they do it in so many days or weeks, but already mums are started, so it'll be fall really soon. So there are so many coneflowers, and they are so pretty. We do have a lot of coneflowers that are growing in our garden already, but I love looking at the different colors. We actually grow the echinacea, the purpurea echinacea, for medicinal purposes in our garden, but this is such a great way to add color to your garden. And then this is one plant that I know for sure that the beneficial insects and pollinators absolutely love. Here is another plant that I know the pollinators love so much, and they are so pretty, and this is the salvia. This is Mystic Spires Blue. But isn't this just amazing? It's so pretty. And I know I got some salvia at home. I know I do, but I just look at all of the bees that are really like on these plants right here. Like, look right here, y'all. Oh, they're so amazing. Okay, so let me tell y'all, the phone was so hot that the thermometer came on and it cut off. So I'm back at home, but I want to go ahead and pull everything out. So let me show it to you now, because y'all not gonna believe this. I think my AC inside has just went out, and this is what I'm gonna tell you. Every time something happens, it's like either the beginning of summer or right in the middle of summer, and it's like 101 degrees, but that does not include the heat index. So let me get these plants out, and then I'll let my husband figure out what we're going to do, because air is real. It's so much to be thankful and grateful when it comes to air. You don't understand it until you don't have it. So I got these sunflowers right here that I thought were so pretty. They only get about 3 feet, but do you see like all of the blooms on here? So we got those, and I think I'm going to put them in the raised bed to fill in a couple of spots that I wasn't sure what would be, what I would put there. Okay, so I know I talked about the purpurea, or the regular coneflower that we grow for medicinal purposes. For some odd reason, this particular color coneflower just kept pulling me to it. And so we got the yellow coneflowers as well. This is Cheyenne Spirit, and they have the different colors. And we also have some other colors in the garden as well. Like we have red, and then we still have a pink, and they also had white, and kind of like they also have an orange, but very vibrant colors. So we got those. We also got some more pineapple sage. I love this. The hummingbirds, the bees love this, especially with the red blooms that they produce, and they smell so good. But this is what I wanted to tell you all real quick. I don't know if you've ever grown this Proven Winners Super Tunia series. Now, Proven Winners is not paying me to say this. I'm not sponsored by Proven Winners. This is just what I know and from experience. I love their Super Tunia series because they are a workhorse. They're a beast in this weather. Now, about midway through, you will have to cut them back to keep them going all summer long, but they really stand up to this heat. And like right now, it's like 101 degrees, and we have some in the front. the Bordeaux, the Super Tunia Bordeaux, that's really, really growing. And then we got some tomatoes, buy one, get one free. So I'm gonna fill in those holes where some of the tomatoes checked out. Now, the variety that I already have one that is back in the garden that seems to do very, very well with the heat, with the humidity. So I just got 2 more of those. But this is what I'm going to do, y'all, because I need to see what's going on with the air on the inside. The other day we had a storm and it was thundering and it was lightning, and we had like a power surge and the lights flickered, and I remember hearing the fan with this funny noise, but the AC was still working. Well, I just walked in and something is not right. And let me tell you, you do not appreciate AC until you don't have it. And right now with 101 on the dashboard and the heat index, who knows what, 175, we got to get this fixed, and we have to get this fixed fast. So thank you all so much for watching this video. Make sure you share this video with your family and your friends. If you're not a subscriber, go ahead and tap the button and make sure you subscribe and tap that bell so that you can be notified each and every time we upload a new video. Again, thank you all so much for watching, and until the next video, bye bye.